Hi guys, this is a quick demonstration how to compress your website dynamically using this script. This script is available to you on this link. I have also posted the link in the description. You can check that out, and what it will do, it will just convert your website into a single line HTML output by using only this single line of the code. So you don't have to worry about going to your original source code and span about weeks, might be months, only in removing the white space and making your web faster. For this demonstration, I'm just going to show you the two examples. First one is the WordPress, and the second one I'm just going to download a template from the internet and going to compress it down. For the WordPress, I have just installed a WordPress on the local host, and when you check its source code, what you find that there's lots of white space, and what it basically doing, it's just slowing down the WordPress blog. If it is your blog, it's making it slow because there's lots of white space. It just really take longer time to render down this thing too. Okay, so in order to compress it, what do you have to do? Just have to download the script, uncompress the zip file, and you will find a compressor.php is provided to you. Just drag and drop it to the WordPress folder and open the index.php in your favorite text editor. I really love the Notepad++, and you have to do one thing. You just have to type this include include and compressor compressor.php and semicolon in the end, and you have just compressed your WordPress blog. Okay, I'm just going to reload it. Click reload, and you see that there is nothing changed in the output because this is only compressing the source code, not the output. When I check its source code, what I find that it is only a single line HTML output. It's totally compressed my website and without even changing its output. Output is same, but it just compressed my source code. Okay, and it also compressing it dynamically. So when I go into any of my blog and I check its source code, it is also compressed. Okay, and this is the previous example that I show you. The source code, it is not compressed. If I reload it, and it is compressed. I think it's really great. And the second example, now the second example that I have to show you. I'm just going to download a template, that is htmltemplates.net. I really like this website, providing me tons of free template. Okay, in this case, which one are you liking? I think this one is great. Let's download this one. Come on. Oh my god, my internet connection is pretty slow. Okay, start download, open it, and what I'm going to do is just going to drag and drop this HTML template into another localhost HTML folder, changing the extension from .html to .php. Click yes, and I'm just again visiting localhost. This time it is HTML. Click refresh, and it is done. It is the template, but when I check its source code, what I find that it is not compressed. It is not compressed. There is tons of white spaces going on. I have to compress it down. What I have to do, I just have to drag and drop the compressor.php into the folder. Just open the index.php, have to start the PHP block and and type this line include include compressor.php and semicolon in the end. Okay, and now I refresh the template. Nothing changed to the output. I'm checking its source code, and it is compressed. This was the previous source code without compression. This is the current source code. Okay, if I comment this line, I'm just going to comment this line, that is include.php, that is compressor.php, sorry, and I refresh the source code too, and it is not compressed. So you can see that your actual source code is preserved. It only compressing the output source code. Basically, it's compressing before giving the output to the user. So I think it's really great script. Great script. You must have to check this out. You can buy it if you really like it. Okay, thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.